In this video, you'll learn how to disable dark mode in Microsoft Copilot, so the sidebar always appears in light mode no matter what your browser theme is. If you find dark mode hard on your eyes or you simply prefer a brighter interface when you're working, this quick walkthrough will help you switch Copilot back to light mode in just a few clicks. First, you'll need to open the Copilot pane in Microsoft Edge. The fastest way to do this is with a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and the period key all at the same time. That's Ctrl plus Shift plus dot. After a moment, you should see the Copilot sidebar slide in on the right-hand side of your Edge window. If the shortcut doesn't work for any reason, you can also open Copilot by clicking its icon in the browser toolbar, usually near the top right corner of Edge. Once the Copilot pane is open, look toward the very top right corner of that sidebar. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon that opens additional settings and options just for Copilot. Move your mouse over to those 3 dots and click them once. A small menu will appear, dropping down from the top of the pane. From this menu, you're looking for the option labeled Appearance. This is where Copilot keeps its theme and display settings. Go ahead and click on Appearance. You should now see a simple set of options that control how the Copilot sidebar looks, including whether it follows your browser's theme or uses its own. Within the Appearance section, find the setting that lets you choose between themes like System, Dark, and Light. By default, Copilot may be set to follow your system or browser theme, which is why it turns dark when your browser is using dark mode. To force Copilot to always use a bright look, select the option called Light. As soon as you choose Light, the Copilot sidebar should immediately switch to a light theme. You don't need to click Save or restart your browser. The change takes effect right away. From now on, even if your Edge browser or your operating system is set to dark mode, the Copilot pane will stay in light mode. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same appearance menu and either switch back to dark or set it to follow your system theme again. But as long as light is selected, Copilot will keep using the light interface. That's all you need to do. You've opened the Copilot pane, accessed its settings, and forced it into light mode, independent of your browser's theme. This small tweak can make Copilot easier to read and more comfortable to use, especially during long work sessions.